Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna make a hot cutoff. We'll be using some common material. For my anvil, I have a 1-inch square hardy hole. So we are using 1-inch square tubing. To keep it simple, we have a piece of scrap spring steel. We're gonna clean this up and we're gonna weld it on here so we get some hopefully decent welds. We will cut this tubing down to appropriate size. So for the hot cut itself, to make this a simple project, we are going to be using a old cheap hatchet head. We're going to cut it off right above the eye and weld it to our piece of spring steel. So let's go ahead and get this project started. It should be a quick, simple project. We got these cleaned up, so now the only thing we need to do is get these welded. So let's do a little mock-up. So we will have our 1-inch tube, the plate, and the hatchet for the head. So let's go ahead and get the welder turned on and we'll get these welded up. We got this all welded up, and I will say my welds are absolute crap. But that's besides the point. This is sturdy, it'll hold together. So we have our finished hot cut hardy. And let's go ahead. So we have a good fit. There's just a little bit of wiggle, nothing too bad. I've been needing one of these forever. So let's throw a piece of rebar into the forge and give it a shot. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is a tool I have needed for a very long time, and I don't know why I waited this long to make it. But this is a quick, simple way. It took me approximately 45 minutes. You can do it quicker. I was recording the video while making it. But if you all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.